This is a Frigidaire dishwasher for a compact kitchen like mine. See how quiet it is compared to the previous one that I had? It can hold a decent amount of dishes. These are all the dishes from 3 of our meals for 3 people today. The top shelf and bottom shelf. These are the shelves without the dishes. There is a basket where you can put the spoons, forks, and chopsticks. You can remove it if you want to. You can remove the shelves or put them back. Here is the compartment for dish soap. There are different time settings. For heavy wash, it takes 155 minutes. Normal wash, 145 minutes. Hour wash, 60 minutes. China, crystal, or clear glass cups, 105 minutes. Energy save, 130 minutes. Rinse only, 20 minutes. This is for washing something quick like washing fruits. You can delay until later to start a load. Usually, I use the normal option. We have had this washer for a while. We really like it.